Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am making mini Eccles cakes. I have lined my baking tray with greaseproof paper and preheated my oven to 200 degrees. On a medium heat, I am going to add in my pan butter and sugar and mix them together until the butter has melted. Now my butter and sugar has melted, I'm going to turn the heat off and put to the one side to cool down. Now it has cooled, I'm going to add my currants, mixed peel and a pinch of nutmeg. I'm going to take my shop-bought puff pastry and a cutter that is the size of a wine glass and cut 10 circles out of my sheet. I'm now going to take a teaspoon of my mixture and place it in the centre. I am going to dampen the edges of my pastry. And then fold the edges over the mixture. I am now going to turn them over and flatten them with a rolling pin, but don't push down too hard, otherwise the stuff inside will come out. Take cold water and splash it over the top. And take your leftover sugar and sprinkle it over the top. Take a fork and push 3 lines in the top. I'm now going to bake them in the oven for 15 minutes or until they go lightly brown. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.